Disinfecting dental braces at home with a hydrogen peroxide solution can help keep them clean. Here's a step-by-step guide. Materials needed. ESLOC HPO 06 hydrogen peroxide solution. A small container or cup. Clean, soft toothbrush. Water. Towel or paper towels. Steps. Mix 1 part of ESLOC HPO 06 hydrogen peroxide and 3 parts of water in a small container. This dilution helps avoid any potential irritation to your mouth or damage to the braces. Brush your braces gently with a soft toothbrush to remove any food particles or debris. This will make the disinfection process more effective. Place the small container with the hydrogen peroxide solution on a flat surface. Submerge the braces, usually the removable type, in the solution. If your braces are not removable, skip this step. Allow the braces to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid soaking for too long to prevent damage to the braces. After soaking, gently brush the braces with the soft toothbrush to remove any remaining bacteria or debris. Rinse the braces thoroughly with clean water to remove any residual hydrogen peroxide solution. This step is crucial to prevent irritation when you wear them. Pat the braces dry with a clean towel or paper towels. Ensure they are completely dry before reinserting them. Wash the container or cup used for soaking with soap and water and let it dry completely before the next use. Tips. Avoid using ESLOC HPO 06 hydrogen peroxide at concentrations higher than 1:3 dilution as it can be too harsh. Regular brushing and flossing, along with using mouthwash, can help maintain oral hygiene and reduce the need for frequent disinfecting. Consult your orthodontist before using any new cleaning methods to ensure they are appropriate for your specific type of braces.